Hey everybody, it's Pete. I just wanted to give everybody a quick video. I've been working on setting up a new trading screen and constantly tinkering, I'm sure like everybody else is. So I just want to share the screen that I just built in the last week or two and what's on the screen, why I like it, and hopefully whether you're using TradeStation or not, you could mimic something like this because I'm finding it to be really, really helpful, especially on the day trading side, but you could use something similar on the swing trading side as well. So I'm going to head on over to the screen. I can't even talk today. And we're going to take a look at it. All right. So essentially what we have set up here, the three charts are, this is the daily chart, the hourly chart, and the 5-minute chart. So this is where I'm timing stuff. This is where I'm looking at the hour in conjunction with where it is from the opening price. Obviously, this is the longer term order flow. Again, you could do the same exact thing with swing trades. You just change the charts from 5-minute to hourly to week to daily to weekly to monthly. Over here and over here are two things that are kind of new that I'm doing. This here is time and sale. So I removed the level 2 box from my screen. I'm not watching every quote now. I'm essentially only looking at how much and how frequently the stock is printing and where it's printing. And this is actually set for 100 shares or higher. Over here is what's the most interesting part. Again, so the most basic stuff, the list of stocks that watching every day, last symbol. This is interesting here. This is net change open on that individual bar. So this column here is where everything is sorted from. So this is sorted by a 5-minute candlestick. So you can see there the interval's 5 minutes. So this is essentially telling me which candlesticks right now have the largest 5-minute candlestick sorted by positive. So that's very important. If you think about what that's telling me, it's telling me which candles right now have a large green candlestick. So again, obviously very important, but that's not the whole thing. It's telling me which candlesticks are large green candlesticks that also are positive by the hour and positive by the week. So you could work these however you want, but that's how I start out the week. The week is Monday, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. As the week goes to the right, it keeps telling me, okay, these stocks are positive for the minute and positive for the week. So the week is Monday's print. The minute is the 60-minute print. So think about what that's telling me. Positive by the minute is the 60-minute chart. So that's telling me it's got a green 60-minute candle. It's also telling me that it's positive from Monday's print. So it's giving me the best of both worlds. It's positive this week, and it's positive for this hour. If I want to filter it down even more, I could add another column in there that's positive from today's opening price. But you can see I actually have that already over here. Then I have the average true range and the percentage of the average true range for the day. So that lets me know how much room there is to go in the idea. And then you can see I have this over here as well, which is the monthly, the weekly, the daily, and the minute. Those are really just filters that work in here. So again, just a quick recap. 3 time frames that are important to me. Time and sales telling me the activity of the stock right now, minimum 100 share prints. So I'm looking for a lot of green prints when I want to be buying. The largest green candlestick right now. And you can see this is how it ended on Friday. So you get an idea of what I'm looking at. The average true range for today. The percentage that this average true range is for the normal average true range for that stock. So you can see this stock went 220% of what it normally does. So that's obviously a big green candle from what it normally does. Work our way over. It's sorted by positive for the week and positive for the 60 minutes. So it doesn't matter which of these are green. I'm looking for them to be filtered out. Very, very important. Okay, now whether you have TradeStation or not, I just want to inspire you to have some ideas to build something like this for yourself. And then obviously the other main screen that I use during the day, which is all of my sector ETFs on the hourly chart, telling me which stocks are in play right now. And then that gets broken down into other ETF holdings. So depending on what looks green over here that I'm looking to buy, I'll be like, oh, cool, that sector ETF. Then I just simply pull that up and I go and look at the stocks that are strongest using the same criteria. And then obviously over here, we have the ticks and the VIX. So if you happen to be swing trading only, instead of these being hourly charts, same exact thing would apply, but you'd be using daily charts over the last, let's say, 6 to 8 weeks to get a call for the best idea. So hopefully that inspired some ideas. You can get in there, take snapshots, and see what you can build for yourself. Okay.